Hi everyone. I really enjoyed class last night. Thank you for playing along with those role plays. I thought that was pretty fun and a good way to have you really look at what it looks like to draw attention to the language and to really think about this issue of equity and participation. So thank you for that. I pretty much told you everything about Module 7, but let me just quickly review a few things. Okay, so there is a article about joint construction with a video that goes with that. We did do section 5 in class, so you don't have to worry about that. This was the Last Words blog. And as you can see, get that in by Saturday, please, and then respond to 2 or 3 of your classmates. And then we have the joint construction role play with the first piece on Friday, next piece on Sunday, and the third piece on Tuesday. But there is the annotation. That's the one that is a little tricky. Okay, so here is the readings video. Here is, I fixed these. I don't know why it doesn't have all the other groups in here. Maybe they're down here. They are down here. Okay. This was the class activity, so you all get credits for that. Here is the blog. And then let's go to the actual wikis. Okay, so you're under joint construction right now, and do go through and look at kind of comments that I've made on these. And let's see, joint construction. Okay, so joint construction and annotation. The designer will do a script for 3 to 4 sentences or 1 paragraph of the text. Does not need to be in the beginning. So we just want a short excerpt here. And then both the SFL expert and liaison of the principal will do the annotation. See below for where to do. Okay, so these are some prompts for you. So here's the annotation. So you're just going to, one of you is going to have to cut and paste in the teacher-student action and the jointly constructed text, however it makes sense to divide it up with you. And then these are your notes on how the teacher draws attention to the language. If it makes more sense to you to kind of print this and then put arrows on it and then screenshot it in, that will work for us too. So I just want you really thinking about the language. And then after the annotation, these parts are actually going to make more sense because you can be more specific about what's going on. Okay, so that is that. The assessment is here, but I will give you some more information about that early next week. I do want to show one more thing. Module 8 is up. If you want to start working on your final, you are welcome to do so. Let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so it says you can work on this anytime, again, starting now. It's due on December 11th. So here's what it looks like. And you have 2 choices. You have two pathways. And you'll submit both using that link here. Please do it this way instead of emailing. One is to focus on student writing, and I've imagined a scenario which was actually a real and true scenario from when I was teaching middle school. And I've imagined a scenario where teachers are sitting around with their ELL students and they're not quite sure what to do. But you are an SFL expert and an expert in genre pedagogy, so you know exactly what to do. So it's about that. If you don't like that idea and you want to use your own, you can click here and you can see your options there. Now, say you click this and you still don't see something that you like, then please propose something to me. You would need to do that by the end of, or by Tuesday in order to, or as soon as you want for that. I'm totally flexible on that. I really just want you to apply what you've learned over these 2 language courses. Okay, that is it for now. As always, let me know if there are any questions or if I messed up with something. Let me know that too. And I look forward to seeing your work. Thanks.